Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag Certification Tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get 100% free Atlassian certification and we'll get the Jira exam voucher. So we'll go through the step-by-step process to get it. And here, are you the smarter than the Jira admin? So test your Jira skill on a fun, interactive and game show style webinar. In this exciting session, we'll put the Jira admin and Jira plans knowledge to the test. We'll tackle real world scenario based question about the project configuration, workflows, and notification permission and planning dependencies. So team capacity and more all while completing with other to prove your expertise. So, what to expect on this? So, it is a challenging question for the all levels, beginner to the advanced, tips to use the Jira plans to create clear work breakdown and better stakeholder visibility. So, inside your effective planning and collaboration in Jira, friendly competition with the other Jira and hosted by the Atlassian community champions Sajit Nair and special regional quizmasters. So a chance to laugh, learn, and level up your skill. So free voucher, make it into the top 10 leaderboard, and you will receive a free Atlassian certification voucher. A great way to kickstart and advance your Jira certification journey. So perfect for Jira admins, project manager, delivery leads, developers, practitioners, and anyone who loves challenges. So don't miss out and sharpen your Jira skill and complete the prizes. So here is the official link. You can go through this official link. Let me open this link. So here you can get, there is a complete for the chance to win a free Atlassian certification voucher and select the date time zone as per yours. There's Sydney and Los Angeles are there. Three time zone is there. And here you can see you have to provide for the registration first name, last name, job title, and company email address. So you have to provide your company email address for that and company size and your select your country and just click on the register now. So what we will expect? So all the details are there. Challenging question for the every level and how your Jira plans to transfer complex work into the clear and stakeholder ready plans. Prizes and recognition. And speaker is Sujit Nair. So you can and other speakers are also there. So now I'm going to fill this form. Job title, just like I'm giving database administrator, company email address. So one email address I'm using, company size and country. Click on register now. So are you smarter than the Jira admin? So Tuesday, March 3, 7:30 a.m. IST. You have to go through this one. So step by step process and all the details, and you will get a mail also. Okay, after some time, you will get a mail. So this is the process. So here, free Atlassian certification voucher. There is a Jira admin quiz and win big. So step by step process I have shown to you. And disclaimer is there all trademarks, logo names belong to their respective owners. This video made only for the education information purpose under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Subscribe for the free tutorial and certification tutorial. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment and subscribe to Chirag Mahto official tutorial. Thank you.